The Harmony Thermostat allows you to control the floor temperature manually instead of following a programmed schedule. To switch the thermostat to manual mode, press the Mode button until the hand icon appears on the screen. This indicates that you are in manual mode. Select the desired floor temperature by pressing the up or down buttons. Please note, the floor will remain at this new temperature until manual mode is cancelled. To cancel manual mode, press the Mode button until the clock icon appears on the screen. At this time, the thermostat will return to the existing programmed schedule.